Am I audible to all of you? Am I audible? Okay. Okay. As we said, we will have just a revision once again in the form of quiz. But before going to quiz, let's talk about yesterday. We said about antifolates. Do you remember? We said about antifolates. Okay. Regarding folic acid deficiency which may be produced because of certain drugs, or simply we can say this is the megaloblastic anemia that can be produced because of antifolates. Okay, same thing in other way you can say this can be drug induced megaloblastic anemia. Now in antifolates, yesterday I mentioned cotrimoxazole. I mentioned the name of the drug, that is cotrimoxazole. And what we said, this is the approved fixed dose combination. We said this is F. This is oh, this is fixed dose combination which is approved by World Health Organization. Okay, yesterday by mistake I said sulfadoxine and pyrimethamine, but cotrimoxazole, it includes the first drug, that is this is sulfamethoxazole. Okay, one drug is sulfamethoxazole. Okay, is this name clear? Sulfamethoxazole. And second drug that is included is trimethoprim. This is trimethoprim. Okay, this is the combination which is used in many government hospital because it is cheaper. Okay, for that purpose it is used. So just for that reason you are supposed to know this cotrimoxazole, which is approved fixed dose combination, and approval is given by World Health Organization. And this drug further it includes two things. One is sulfamethoxazole and second one is trimethoprim. Now, yesterday, what I said, that is sulfadoxine. Okay, one name was sulfadoxine. Okay, and second, this is pyrimethamine. This is pyrimethamine. Okay, now, seniors, can you recall these two names where we studied these drugs? Sulfadoxine and pyrimethamine. The person who wants to answer, please raise your hands, unmute yourself. I will give you few seconds. Sulfadoxine, pyrimethamine, we had already finished this disease. Shall I give you one more hint? This is part of National Health Program. This combination is used for controlling one particular disease. Now can you recall? Yes. These, yes, very good. This is malaria. And in malaria, if at all you can recall what we said, this is ACTSP. Am I right? Can you recall? ACTSP, artemisinin combination therapy, where we use sulfadoxine and pyrimethamine. ACTSP, this strategy, it is for which states? Can you recall? For which states we use this combination? Yes. I write one more thing. Now, if it is possible for you to recall, this is ACTAL, another combination, artemisinin combination therapy. Yes, don't forget northeastern states and the states other than northeastern states. Okay, so this is just due to one wrong thing which I mentioned yesterday. We are discussing this thing. Is it clear? ACT-SP, ACT-AL regarding malaria, you are supposed to know this is the strategy which is adopted by Government of India for the northeastern states and other than northeastern states. Now shall we proceed to our quiz session? The questions will be very easy. Just you are supposed to listen it carefully and please raise your hand and answer. Okay. So the first question, it is Castle's necklace. It is seen in deficiency of which vitamin? Castle's necklace is seen. Yes. Yes, Roman, unmute yours. Okay. Yes, it is very right. It is B3 niacin. Okay. Now listen this question. The daily recommended allowance for folate during pregnancy. The daily requirement or daily recommended allowance of folate, that is folic acid, during pregnancy. Yes. Yes, it is 500 micrograms. Very good. Nice, nice. I'm getting good response. Too good. Okay. Now tell me, what is the first clinical sign of vitamin A deficiency? What is the first clinical sign of vitamin A deficiency? Yes, the person who raised hand first, you can unmute yourself. Yes, this is conjunctival xerosis or same thing. You can call it as xerosis conjunctivae. Xerosis xerophthalmia, see it is one word for dry eye. Okay, so entire deficiency you can describe in one word, that is xerophthalmia. But if examiner asks you specific, that is the first clinical sign. In that case, your answer should be conjunctival xerosis. Okay. Now listen to this question carefully. Vitamin A deficiency. Vitamin A deficiency, it is considered as public health problem if it is considered as public health problem if the prevalence rate of night blindness in children between 6 months to 6 years is more than. It is more than. Do you want options or you can answer this question? Yes, very right. It is more than 1%. Too good. Now we'll proceed to next question. Under National Program for Prevention of Nutritional Blindness. Under National Program for Prevention of Nutritional Blindness, a child in the age group of 6 months to 11 months is given a dose of vitamin A. Can you tell this dose? Yes. Okay, very right, very right. Now we will proceed to the next question. What is the daily requirement of vitamin A for adult man? What is daily requirement of vitamin A? Yes, yes, this is 600 microgram. Okay, now we will proceed to next question. Minimum amount of sunlight exposure, minimum amount of sunlight exposure necessary for adequate synthesis of vitamin D in human body is, yes, yes, Roman, yes, 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 very nice, very nice. Okay, now besides 3Ds of niacin deficiency, the fourth D, it indicates what? 3Ds that you know, but besides these 3Ds, the fourth D, it indicates, yes, yes, it's death. It's death. Okay, so if MCQs starts your this options may be disability, destruction, debility. Okay, so in that case, you are supposed to know it is death. Okay, so if it is not treated, the next possibility can be death. Okay, now again, very easy question. Niacin deficiency can result in niacin deficiency, it can result in, yes, it is pellagra. It is pellagra. Okay. Next question is vitamin A deficiency. Vitamin A deficiency, it can cause all the things except, okay. Now I will give you some options. Listen to these options. जो नहीं है वो आपको बताना है. Night blindness, respiratory infections, Bitot spots, seborrheic dermatitis. Yes, it is seborrheic dermatitis. Okay. So I think I should see the participant list so that I can come to know easily. Okay. Next question. Vitamin A deficiency. It is seen in 18 months. Vitamin A deficiency. It is seen in 18 months old child. What is the recommended dose of vitamin A for this child? Yes, Almas. Listen, listen. Listen to the question. Yes. Yes, the person who answered last, your answer is correct because you should have to pay attention to the age, right? After 1 year, the dose is doubled, okay, which is 2 lakh international units. So, correct answer for this question is 2 lakh international units. Can you tell me vitamin A requirement for infant? What amount of vitamin A is required for infant? Yes, Almas. Infants. Now we are talking about daily requirement. Now we are talking about daily requirement. What is vitamin A requirement? Yes, 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 yes. So 350 microgram is correct answer. So there should not be no confusion. Okay. When we are talking about daily requirements, it's the daily amount that should be taken by the person. And when we are talking about the dose, either this is for treatment purpose or this is for prophylaxis purpose. Right? Maximum amount of vitamin D is found in, I will give you options. Now you are supposed to tell me the right answer. Milk, it is fish fat, eggs, or cod liver oil. It is cod liver oil. Yeah. Yes. But richest amongst the cod liver, yes, that you are supposed to know. It's halibut. Yes, halibut, halibut. Okay. Now listen to this question carefully. Quite big question. You are supposed to tell me the false statement. You are supposed to tell me the false statement related with folic acid supplementation. Basically, we have not discussed it. Just think logically and answer this question. Uh, the first statement is fortification of all wheat products in India is done like in USA. First statement. Second statement, preconceptionally, it is given for prevention of neural tube defect. Third statement, folic acid is present in leafy vegetables. And fourth statement, the requirement during pregnancy is 500 microgram per day. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Right, right, right. Right. So in USA, they are fortifying all wheat products with folic acid, and this is not done in India. In India, we are not fortifying it. Okay. Now the next question is pellagra in jowar eating population is due to what? Pellagra in jowar eating population, it is due to what? Leucine कम है ज़्यादा है? Yes. Yes. So this is excess of leucine, okay? And as you know, it interferes with the conversion. Okay. Bitots spots are seen on which part? Bitots spots are seen on which part? Yes. Yes. Right. Okay, very good. Very nice. So you are supposed to know this site where you are supposed to see Bitots spot. The same question, just it is twisted. Earliest feature of vitamin A deficiency is earliest, yes, conjunctival xerosis. Okay. Which of the following is supposed to prevent congenital neural tube defects? Whether it is a thiamine, whether it is riboflavin, whether it is pyridoxine, or whether it is folic acid. Folic acid. So don't right. Don't forget most important application of folic acid or the prophylactic role is prevention of neural tube defects. Uh, can you enlist few foods which are rich in vitamin E? Vitamin E rich foods. What should be the first thing? Yes, it should be vegetable oils. Yeah. Okay. Okay. But on the top of the list, it should be okay. 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 Vegetable oil should be on the top of your list. Okay. Least amount of vitamin D is found in. We are talking about least amount of vitamin D which is found in milk, eggs, fish fat, shark liver oil, milk. Okay. All of you know. Yes. Very right. Very right. Deficiency of folic acid produces. Deficiency of folic acid produces what? Megaloblastic anemia. Okay. So, yeah. So, the most important answer is Mm, okay. Yes, yes. Okay. In measles, which vitamin deficiency occurs? So, in cases of measles, simultaneously you can say deficiency of one vitamin. Can you name this vitamin? Whether this is vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, or vitamin A? Yes, it is. It is vitamin A. Okay, because in prophylaxis, yes, in prophylaxis we said कि we should have to pay attention to contributory conditions, which is one of the condition is measles. Now, can you tell me? I will give you four sources. Out of this, you will give me the richest source for vitamin B1, that is thiamine. Okay, richest source for thiamine, whether it is rice, milk, egg, or groundnut. Mhm. Sure. Hmm? You're not able to listen. I think the person who is answering, unmute yourself. The person who is answering, unmute yourself. Please mute yourself. All of you, please mute yourself. And the person who wants to answer, raise hand. I think screen is in front of you. Am I right? Participant screen is in front of you. Yes, yes, yes. So the person will raise hand and only that person will unmute. Okay, so that this noise we can reduce. Okay, so for this, once again, go through the book, find the answer, and we will discuss it tomorrow. Okay, peripheral neuritis, it is a deficiency sign of which vitamin? Peripheral neuritis, it is a deficiency sign of folic acid, niacin, tocopherol, or thiamine. Okay, okay, okay. Which of the following deficiency disease occurs in maize eating population? Whether it is beriberi, whether it is megaloblastic anemia, whether it is night blindness, or whether it is pellagra. Hmm. Okay. Okay. Highest amount of vitamin C it is found in. Highest amount of vitamin C is found in. Just you are going to tell me one food article where you get highest or yes. What is another name for amla? What is another name? Indian gooseberry. Okay. Next question. 60 milligram of tryptophan is converted to how many milligrams of niacin? Yes. Unit. Please. No. 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 We are talking milligram. We are, yes. Yes. We are talking in milligrams. So it should be milligram. Okay. Can you name the vitamins where there are no plant sources for these vitamins? Okay. Okay. Is it clear? Two names where you are supposed to mention only. Now we will just go in one way. First, any one of you. Now only one person will talk. Okay. Enlist deficiencies of vitamin A. सिर्फ enlist करना है आपको. Yes. पाठक प्रिया. पाठक प्रिया. Yes, you can answer. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Oh, okay, okay, okay. It's okay. Doesn't matter. It's okay. Doesn't matter. Darshana, do you want to answer? Yes. Okay. Hmm. 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 Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. 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 Very nice. Okay. Now I will have to end this meeting. I will just restart it again. Okay. Okay. So we are talking about deficiency of vitamin A as enlisted by Darshana. Now we will just have questions related with only deficiencies. Now who is interested to tell me deficiency of vitamin D? Deficiency of vitamin D. Am I audible? Yes, Pratiksha. Hmm. Okay. Now, can you name the different bony deformities or the signs that you can find in deficiency? Hmm? Okay. Yes. Okay. Yes, on face. Okay. What you can see on the face related to forehead, is there any abnormality that you can notice here? Frontal bossing. Okay. Any other thing? Any other thing related to chest? Pigeon's chest. Okay. Yes. So it is frontal bossing, curved legs, deformed pelvis, pigeon chest, Harrison sulcus, rickety rosary, kyphoscoliosis. Okay. 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 Now, what you can say about deficiency of vitamin E? Deficiency of vitamin E. Priyanka Mali. Priyanka Mali. You can answer. Hmm. 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 Okay. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Okay. 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 Now the next question is related to deficiency of vitamin K. Deficiency of vitamin K. Yes, anyone else? Anyone else? Okay, let me see from seniors. Okay, it's Kajal Mane. You can answer. Hmm. Hmm. Hemolytic anemia. Okay, anyone else? Anyone else wants to try? Okay, okay. Satpute Priya, Priya Satpute. Yes, you can continue with the same answer. Hmm. Okay, okay. Yes. Hmm. Okay, okay, okay. Very good. And with the same vitamin, yes, yes. Who wants to talk? Hmm. Hmm. These are the things that can contribute, okay? Contributory things to vitamin K deficiency. Okay, what is the high risk group for vitamin K deficiency? High risk group? Hmm? Newborns, okay. You know the reason why newborns are having higher risk? Okay, yeah. Yes, yes. Now, who will talk about thiamine deficiency? Who wants to talk about thiamine deficiency in detail? In detail. What about others? They don't know. Okay. Okay. Rahul, you are answering? Okay. Hmm. 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 That is infantile. Okay. Okay. Pardon? That is weight beriberi. Weight beriberi is synonymous to cardiac beriberi. Okay, it is synonymous to cardiac. So you can either say cardiac or you can either say weight beriberi. Hmm? Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, we will proceed. We'll proceed to riboflavin. Riboflavin. Who wants to talk on riboflavin deficiency? Vitamin B2, riboflavin deficiency. What about others? What about others? Vaibhavi Lad, unmute yourself. Can you answer this question? Am I audible to you? Lad Vaibhavi. Vaibhavi Lad, unmute yourself and please answer. Okay, what else? What else? Anything else that you can see? Hmm, loss of hair. Okay. What? What it is called as? What it is called as? Whenever you find dryness or cracked lip, we are having medical terminology that we are supposed to use. Okay, so Pratiksha, please answer. Pratiksha. Hmm. 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 Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Yes. Okay. So you have referred to book. Yes. Very nice. Okay. What else? What else? Yes. Or it is also called as a riboflavinosis. Okay. This can be described in one word as a riboflavinosis. This is what I expect from you. The things that I didn't mention, you should be able to tell me. So very nice. Very nice. One question whether. Hmm. Yes. Yes. Okay. Very nice. Very nice. Just tell me, Ram, whether he participated in first session or not. Can any one of you tell me for the first session whether he was present or absent? Okay. Now, who wants to talk about niacin deficiency? Niacin deficiency. Others, who is talking, who is answering this? Let me know. Just one person, one person. Gauri, Gauri, Gauri. Yes, you can answer. You can answer. Okay. Okay. Yes, another. Okay. Okay. Now, pyridoxine. Who wants to talk about pyridoxine? Pyridoxine deficiency. Rijwan Ansari. Rijwan Ansari. Please unmute yourself. Rijwan, unmute yourself. Yes, can you answer pyridoxine deficiency? Very short answer, just two words you are supposed to tell me. पेरिफेरल न्यूरो पेरिफेरल न्यूराइटिस, और बहुत सीवियर है तो एनीमिया रहता है कोई, कौन सा टाइप का एनीमिया मिल सकता है हमें पायरोडॉक्सिन डेफिशिएंसी में? यस, एनीवन एल्स? सीवियर डेफिशिएंसी? राहुल? Rahul, do you want to answer? Severe pyridoxine deficiency, what type of anemia? No, none of you? None of you? Ruman? Yes, this is hypochromic microcytic anemia. That's what you can get, but provided deficiency should be very severe. Okay. Now, who wants to talk about folic acid deficiency? Folic acid deficiency. Raise your hands so that I can come to know. Just deficiencies are important things that you must know from vitamins. Pawar Priyanka. Priyanka Pawar, you can answer. Hmm. Hmm. Yes. Okay. And okay, severe deficiency. Don't forget to mention severe deficiency for this. What about vitamin B12? Who wants to talk about vitamin B12? Vitamin B12. Who is talk- who is talking? Let me know. Akanksha? Akanksha? Yes. Bolo. Hmm. Hmm. But that is noticed in animals, okay? That you are supposed to know. This is animal experimentation finding, okay? Neurological lesions. That's what you can get, okay? And yes, demyelinating neurological lesions. Last is ascorbic acid. Who wants to talk about ascorbic acid? Anyone else? Anyone else? Anyone else? One person. Okay, Kadam Sagar. Kad- Kadam Sagar, can you answer? Do you want to answer? Kadam Sagar? Yes. Deficiency of vitamin C or deficiency of ascorbic acid. Hmm. Okay. Delayed wound healing, okay, so that is one of the important thing that you are supposed to know, and that is one of the important reason why vitamin C or ascorbic acid is generally used by orthopedicians if there are fractures or other kinds of injuries, right? Okay. Now, Ruman is there. Yeah, you please summarize the fat soluble vitamins, okay? for those who were absent or for others, those who forgot the things, just summarize it. Others, please mute yourselves so that you can listen. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. 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 Okay. Hmm. Okay. Okay. Hmm. 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 Yes. Yes. Hmm. Okay. Okay. Yes. 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 Hmm. 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 Okay. Oh, yes. Hmm. Yes. Yes. Hmm. 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 Yes. 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 Okay. 6 monthly is for prophylaxis. For treatment, two consecutive. Yes. For treatment, two months. Right. Right. Hmm. 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 Yes. Okay. Hmm. 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 Yes. What is the precursor? Precursor for synthesis of vitamin D in our 7 dehydrocholesterol. Precursor is 7 dehydrocholesterol. Yes. Hmm. Yes. Hmm. 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 Okay. Hmm. 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 Okay. Hmm. 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 Okay. Okay. Hmm. Vitamin. Hmm. Hmm. Yes. 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 Hmm. 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 Yes. Hmm. Hmm. Yes. Yes. Hmm. 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 Yes. Okay. Yes. Hemorrhage. Okay. Now I just want one person to answer classification of food. Classification of food. Another 5 marks important question. Anyone interested to tell me classification of food? Be fast. Anyone else? Adiba is there. Adiba. Are you there, Adiba? He's absent today. Okay. Any volunteer to answer classification of food, different criterias? Darshana, 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 please answer. Hmm. 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 Yes. Hmm. 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 Yes. Hmm. 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 Yes. Yes. Okay. 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 Nice. Nice. So whatever things we completed, we have revised, and it's very good response from your side. I'm really very happy. Now it's my kind request to CR. Please start with the attendance. Raise your hands. तो why he didn't connected again? वापस कनेक्ट नहीं किया? ओके, 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 raise your hands please. Yes.